As you can see, there was one missing file in Cricket 22. Let's fix it, guys. Just close stuff here and go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on Open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions and select Yes. Select Add an Exclusion and select Folder. And you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. Select the game folder and select folder option. The game folder has been added to this list. Then go back and select the virus and threat protection and select the protection history. Select threat quarantined. Select the yes option. And as you can see, the game file is in here. Select the action option and select the restore and select yes. After restoring the game file, just close off here and right click on the game and select open file location. Open the redist. Open this quick SFV and open this MD5 file and select open option. And as you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. And now you can launch the game on the desktop shortcut and play the game without any errors, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.